Life in Scottsdale offers a wonderful balance of desert beauty, urban amenities, and thriving neighborhoods. However, with growth and activity also comes noise, from busy streets, nearby construction, or even lively neighborhoods. For homeowners, creating a peaceful indoor environment is essential, and one effective way to achieve this is by upgrading to noise-reducing doors. The right door installation can transform your home into a quiet retreat, improving comfort and overall quality of life. Why noise reduction matters in Scottsdale homes. Noise pollution isn't just an annoyance, it can impact sleep, concentration, and stress levels. Scottsdale's bustling areas and expanding residential communities mean more homeowners are dealing with unwanted sound. Replacing old or hollow doors with professionally installed noise-reducing options is an effective way to block outside sounds and create a more serene home. Key door options for noise reduction: solid core doors. Unlike standard hollow core doors, which are lightweight and allow sound to pass through easily, solid core doors are made from dense materials like wood, MDF, or composite. Their added weight helps block sound vibrations, significantly reducing noise transmission. Best for bedrooms, home offices, and entryways where peace and quiet are a priority. Added benefit: solid core doors also enhance security and durability. Soundproof entry doors. Front and back doors are common sources of outdoor noise. Modern entry doors designed for noise reduction often combine solid cores with insulated layers and reinforced seals. Some even include acoustic-rated glass panels that reduce sound while allowing natural light. Best for homes near busy streets or in lively Scottsdale neighborhoods. Added benefit: they improve energy efficiency, keeping homes cooler in summer. Acoustic doors. For maximum soundproofing, acoustic doors are engineered with specialized cores, multiple sealing layers, and advanced materials. While often used in commercial spaces, they're increasingly popular for homeowners who want superior noise reduction in areas like home theaters or offices. Best for homeowners highly sensitive to noise or seeking dedicated quiet spaces. Added benefit: available in modern styles that fit Scottsdale's diverse home designs. Sliding glass doors with acoustic upgrades. Many Scottsdale homes feature large patio or sliding doors that connect to outdoor living spaces. Standard glass doors can allow in noise, but upgrading to acoustic glass with laminated layers helps block sound without sacrificing views. Best for homes near golf courses, pools, or outdoor entertainment areas. Added benefit: energy-efficient options also reduce heat transfer from Scottsdale's desert sun. Professional installation is key. Even the best noise-reducing door won't perform as intended if it's not installed properly. Professional installers ensure tight seals, proper weather stripping, and threshold adjustments prevent sound leaks. Correct fit: a snug fit in the frame eliminates gaps that transmit noise. Durability: high-quality hardware and precision installation extend the life of your investment. By working with experienced Scottsdale professionals, homeowners can maximize the benefits of their noise-reducing doors. Additional tips for noise control: pairing new doors with other soundproofing measures can further enhance results. Install heavy curtains or acoustic drapes over glass doors. Use area rugs or carpets to reduce sound vibrations inside the home. Add acoustic panels to walls in particularly noisy rooms. Final thoughts: Scottsdale homeowners don't have to settle for unwanted noise in their living spaces. From solid core interior doors to advanced acoustic and insulated entry doors, the right installation can create a quieter, more comfortable home. With professional guidance and installation, noise-reducing doors not only improve your daily life but also add value, energy efficiency, and style to your property. If peace and quiet are high on your wish list, investing in noise-reducing door installation is a smart step toward making your Scottsdale home a true desert retreat.